The moment you've been waiting for has just arrived. Who is it going to be? Who?
Louder!
Mother! Who is it going to be? Who? Who?
งามแล้ว
Alright! The moment has just arrived. The new Miss Global 2025 is... Who do you want to be? Miss Global 2025 is... Vietnam!
A big congratulations to Vietnam! You are our new Miss Global 2025! And congratulations to our first runner-up, Jamaica! You have made your country, your family, and your people extremely proud.
Congratulations to our Miss Global 2025, which is Vietnam. A huge congratulations to you, to all your families, to your fans, and of course to your country as well.
We are very, here comes the crown. We have our former Miss Global 2023 here to crown you as our new Miss Global.
อย่าไปไหนไม่ได้นะเขายืนลึกไปกว่านี้
Ladies and gentlemen, here's our beautiful moment, the crowning moment of Miss Global Crown.
Absolutely stunning.
Gorgeous.
One moment in time and a lifetime of memories. We have our president of the Miss and Mr. Global with a sash from Theodon Santos statue.
And now with the sash, presenting by the president of Miss and Mr. Global Organization, แม่ปุ้ย or คุณปิยพร แสนโกสิงห์ What a great moment it is. Congratulations once again, and of course this beautiful flower bouquet.
Inspired by the heritage and culture of Thailand, it's more than just a bouquet of flowers. It's a whole arrangement. It's so beautiful.
Perfectly fits for you.
Just as beautiful as our new reigning.
Nice. With the crown, sashes, and flower bouquet, this is the beginning of the new Miss Global this year. And this wonderful friendship from all the
All
sisterhood.
the sisters are here to enjoy this moment with you.
So good. I really love this moment, Antonia. This is not just competition, right?
This is a sisterhood. This is a Here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. The first one of your new Miss Global 2025 from Vietnam.
Thank you for all contestants and our selection committee for the incredible evening. And thank you for everybody who's watching us at home. Thank you for being a part of this unforgettable night.
We hope to see you again next year for another spectacular edition of Miss Global. This event is brought to you by